You've probably heard the word cryptocurrency 1,000 times. But what is it really? How does it work? And why is everyone talking about it? Stick around because in the next few minutes I'll explain everything you need to know, without the confusing tech jargon. Title: Cryptocurrency Explained, simple and clear. Let's start with the basics. Cryptocurrency is a form of digital money. Unlike the cash in your wallet or the money in your bank account, crypto exists only online. It's not issued by governments or banks. Instead, it's decentralized, meaning it runs on a technology called the blockchain. Think of the blockchain as a public digital ledger, kind of like a Google Sheet that's visible to everyone but can't be edited by just anyone. Every transaction made with a cryptocurrency is recorded on this ledger. That makes it super secure and transparent. So, why do cryptocurrencies have value? Great question. It's a mix of supply and demand, belief in the technology, and scarcity. Take Bitcoin, for example. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. That limited supply creates value, just like gold. Bitcoin is the most famous, but there are thousands of others, like Ethereum, which powers smart contracts, or stablecoins like USDT, which are tied to real-world currencies. You can buy crypto on platforms called exchanges, like Coinbase or Binance. Once you own it, you can trade it, invest it, or in some places even use it to buy goods and services. Just remember, prices can be very volatile, so always do your research. Cryptocurrency has a lot of benefits: fast transactions, low fees, no middlemen, and financial access for people around the world. But there are downsides too: price volatility, security risks, and scams. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Cryptocurrency is changing the world of money, but it's still evolving. Whether you're curious about investing or just want to understand the buzz, it's important to keep learning. Learn more? Subscribe, like, and drop your questions in the comments. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and tell me what crypto topics you want explained next. Until then, stay curious, stay safe, and keep exploring.